Hello everyone, welcome to Dreams Unlimited classes. So guys, in today's class we discuss our topic noun and its type. So guys, let us start. What is noun? A noun names people, animals, places, things, event, qualities and state. It means the name of people, animal and anything is called a noun. Nouns can be simple to understand because any name of a person and a place, an animal or a thing is a noun. It means the name of a person, place, an animal, even a thing is called a noun. Or in a easy language we can say noun is a name of anything in the world. So now we discuss types of noun. There is many types like proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, abstract noun and material noun. So now we discuss common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns used to name general groups, people, places, things and ideas. It means whenever the sentence is given without any specified name, people, place or anything. Or we can say whenever the sentence not more clear. So let's come to proper nouns used to name specific people, places and things. They must begin with a capital letter. It means it is used to make sentence more clear. So now take some example. Common noun lady. So lady is a common noun because there is no specified name of this lady. But in proper noun there is name Helen. Helen is a specified name of this lady. So it is a proper noun. So in common nouns there are examples are month, day, country, ocean. But in proper noun there are example January, Monday, Japan, Pacific Ocean. Now comes to collective noun. A group of particular same things is called collective noun. It means जो भी ग्रुप कोई सेम थिंग्स का होता है वो कलेक्टिव नाउन होता है. Example of collective nouns are a dynasty of kings, a tribe of natives, a draft of lectures. Now take some more example of collective nouns. Collective noun used for people. A band of men, a cast of actors, a stack of librarians, a sentence of judges, a galaxy of beauties, a bevy of girls, a cheer of singers, a hack of smokers. Now comes to collective noun used for animals. A colony of gulls, a brood of hens, a flight of birds, a flock of turkeys, a group of guinea pigs, a litter of cubs, a kennel of dogs, a slot of bears. Now comes to collective noun used for things. A batch of cakes, a bottle of milk, a bowl of rice, a box of cereal, a can of soda, a carton of milk, a cup of tea. By using these words, we can easily simplify the group of particular same people, a group of particular same animals, a group of particular same things. Now comes to collective noun rules. There are two rules in collective noun. First rule is singular verb is used. It means कि जब भी कोई ग्रुप यूनाइटेड होकर काम कर रहे हैं तो उनके लिए ऑलवेज सिंगुलर वर्ब ही यूज होएगी. So now take some example. The flock of sheep spend most of the time in rearing. Here the spend is singular verb is used for flock of sheep. Now comes to second rule. In separated situation always plural verb is used. It means कि जब भी कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन होगी कि वहाँ पे कोई चीज़ किसी से अलग हो रही होगी या फिर डिवीज़न वहाँ पे दिखाया जाएगा तो वहाँ पे ऑलवेज प्लूरल वर्ब ही यूज़ होएगी. एग्जाम्पल इज द टीम रीच इन द फील्ड एंड टुक देयर पोजिशंस. ठीक है, तो हेयर द सिचुएशन इज सेपरेटेड, सो हेयर यूज प्लूरल वर्ब. The team reached in the field and took their positions. So here the reach is a plural verb used for separated situation. Now comes to material nouns. The things that made up of matter is called material noun. Example: glass, wheat, gold, coal. These are example of material nouns. Examples of material nouns are: the farmer produces cotton once a year. So here the cotton is material noun. The doctor placed a silver tooth in his mouth. So here the silver is material noun. Next, plastics are non-degradable products. So here the plastics are material noun. Next, the electric wires are made up of copper and aluminium. So here the copper and aluminium are material noun. Next, fiber is a better option than a glass in some places. So here the fiber is a material noun. Next, the ball breaks the glass window. So here the glass is a material noun. So I hope material noun examples are clear. So now comes to abstract noun. Abstract noun. It is a concept, process and it shows quality which can we feel. ये एक ऐसा concept है जो कि qualities को show करता है जिनको हम feel कर सकते हैं. Like childhood, brotherhood, sad, love, etc. Examples of abstract nouns are: first, we have to get at the truth of the matter. So here the truth is abstract noun. Mary is not the type of a person who gossips. So here the gossips are abstract noun. People lost faith in banks. So here the faith is abstract noun. She will defeat them. So here the defeat is abstract noun. I was delighted at the news of her success. So here the success is abstract noun. This is end of our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.